Hello and thanks for joining us. Great to have your company on Calculating TV. I'm Holly and you're watching The Buzzing Trends. Today we'll be looking at the 20 cheapest green stocks on the ASX, but before that, let's see what's going on in the ecosphere. Now we know that even in the G20 summit held in Rome, climate change is one of the quintessential topics. Leaders of the world's biggest economies were set to tackle climate change, and these countries contribute to over 75% of the world's greenhouse gas emissions. In places like China and India, coal is the primary source to generate electricity. Unfortunately, though, it raises the level of carbon emissions in the environment, and as a result, many Western countries have moved away from financing coal projects in developing economies. China and India have raised their attempts at phasing out domestic coal consumption in the G20 summit. Back home, Australia plans to reach net zero carbon emission by the year 2050. It's hoped that this will be achieved in a practical, responsible manner that will use new economic chances while continuing to serve its traditional markets. The plan focuses on technology, and through an investment roadmap, the government will be developing and implementing low-emission tech. Australia aims to make these technologies cost similar to the current high-emission one, and on top of that, it'll increase productivity, create jobs, and considerably lessen emissions from the primary industries. Plus, it'll also help to increase Australian manufacturing and capture new export markets for low-emissions commodities, while also enabling Australia to explore CO2 in the soils, plants, and underground reservoirs. So what's the Australian government's investment process? Well, essentially, it'll be following an enduring process to invest in low-emission technologies. For this, it'll need to survey new and developing low-emission tech, detect the priority ones, and then set economic stretch targets for them. So with all this in the works, let's check out some green stocks that are all under 10 Australian dollars. First up is Mpower Group, which is a power solutions company with a market cap of 8.6 million. The stock is currently trading at 0.061 cents Australian. Next, Papyrus Australia is an agricultural waste fiber tech company that uses banana fiber as an alternative to wood pulp in molded food packaged products. Papyrus is trading at 0.057 Australian. Next is Renew Energy, the green energy firm that generates electricity through renewable energy projects. And Renew is currently trading at 0.12 Australian cents. Now, before on the list, Environmental Group aims to protect the environment by improving air quality, reducing carbon emissions, and enhancing waste to energy production after lifting water quality. It's currently trading at around 0.175 Australian. Next up, Timah Resources focuses on generating energy to meet the needs of society in a sustainable manner. It's currently trading at 0.098 cents Australian. Then Mercury New Zealand is invested the generation of electricity from 100% renewable sources and currently trading at $5.70. Then Morphic Ethical Equities Fund is an investment manager that aims at delivering higher risk adjusted returns for investing in global equities in a way that doesn't harm the human health or the environment. And it's trading at $1.38. Number 8, De.Mem Limited designs, builds, owns and operates water treatment systems for municipal, residential and industrial customers, and trading at 0.247 Australian. Number 9 is a well-known one, Agl Energy, which operates Australia's largest electricity generation portfolio with an operated generation capacity of 10.984 megawatts. It's trading at $5.13. Next, the New Energy Solar Limited acquires, owns and manages large-scale solar generation facilities. It's currently trading at 0.825. Then AusNet Services is an energy delivery service business, owning and operating more than $11 billion worth of electricity and gas network assets. The stock is currently trading at $2.56. Number 12 on our list is Spark Infrastructure Group, which invests in utility infrastructure assets in Australia. The company's stock is currently trading at $2.84. Following that is Lion Energy, which has conventional oil and gas exploration, development and production skills. Lion is currently trading at 0.079 Australian cents. Then Cleanaway Waste Management is Australia's largest waste recycling, industrial and liquid service provider. The company's stock is trading at $2.99. Number 15 on our list, M8 Sustainable, comprises an ecosystem of waste management business capitalizing on energies to maximize shareholder value. The company's shares are trading at 0.022 Australian cents. Following that, Contact Energy provides electricity, natural gas and bottled LPG generated through its 11 hydro, geothermal and gas-fired power stations. The company is trading at 7.78 Australian. Next is Genex Power, which focuses on generation and the shortage of renewable energy. The company is trading at 20 Australian cents. And number 18, Meridian Energy generates electricity that comes from 100% renewable sources of wind, water and sun. It's trading at $4.54. Following that is Carnegie Clean Energy, which captures energy from the ocean waves and converts it into electricity. The stock is currently trading on the ASX at 25 cents. And last on our list, Ecograph is a mineral exploration company that manufactures battery graphite for the lithium-ion markets. Its stock is currently trading at 67 cents. Well, that's all for now on the buzzing trends at the moment, but keep watching Calcine TV because we have many more shows lined up for you today. Holly Shields signing off.